Installing new plastic PEX fittings today. What you'll want to do here is you'll want to make sure you put your crimpering on first. Push it on there like that. Push your pipe on there. Leave that like that. Take your next pipe, put your crimpering on. Push pipe on. Alright, and we have a battery powered Ryobi PEX crimper. Makes life a little easier for crimping. It leaves the green light on. The green light's on, that lets you know it's crimped correctly. So I kind of like this tool because it's a little bit getting tighter spots, and you just press the switch, and it's battery operated. So works pretty good.